matter because of where we normal will say oda we oriye. Okay? Ewi normal will say oda we oriye. Wa rude eki gbovo. Nu wa mi ne man wa ya support is very bad. Wa ke mu go ne shine do ya gbo gaga kwada fun wa we go plan e no ya lu go ni he. Before una go support shine, make sure go pack that money put for turkey cloth. What's an issue where man do keep turkey? Kikiabo, kiebae, kigwe, even a man need. I can person when they work minimum wage of 20,000, 40,000, 70,000 a month. You will expect the person to come use 50,000 take buy cloth. He not go buy. He not go buy. He go for the one when he go feel afford. Please power tap for me for TikTok. I'm just giving an advice as a mother. Me, I know they use sentiment. If you know me, you understand me. Say I be spiritual person. I know they hate person. I know they judge people. I might critically criticize you, but I get zero hate for you from my heart. I don't hate people. I just speak the truth. I'll tell you the truth, the way it's supposed to be. The way they speak good about you, the universe go also they invest good into my life. That is why I don't hate people. I know they throw hate at people. But if you come for me, I go come for you. Now so it they be. But say now we mama na do eke boutique. Uwe wiji me go am with bebogwe. We with one you want pay to no. Get total ye shop money tin na mona ashine. Before I go they criticize her husband woman yama. Ku wane single mothers in ikbia less e mo anati na wa ma keni ala wa pa koke mo hia. Wa mi okpe anove kokoge wa save ninu wa ebe ya te no ya we say wa we to no me ya wo. Wa kun emu nyanhu wa ga rovio e shine no zuwa be gbe ya no ohu a. O ya ga video ni ya rovio da fun anu weri o mo pe amobo shine. Ma me nu kon he. Uri o mo pe amobo. Wa ga video ni ya rovio da fun. Ahu are ni emi an logu wa amuna ze no to tare wa amuno so no to tare wa go bugwa wa ya si. You know, before you go they support shine against the husband, say that the husband not they try. The husband they try 100%. E shine obono mweki ano no monune neseti ye 1+2. E pride oge shine here ge shine ya dweki agbon. No here ya meet up no ya mukpe. E pride ge shine ya dweki agbon. If you want make come for life, you have to put your ego, your pride aside. You have to do it for yourself, not do it for waiting people go talk. How will people talk? Well, make people not come say, make them not say I'm not classy. Classy for who? Who classy help? Classy not get we help. He actually not get we help. If you get what you want contribute for TikTok, please you can send in your request and I go bring you up. Maybe we they do the discussion. Everybody they share their view. It's very important. Okay? Before I go they quarrel the husband, say the husband not try, say that the husband really be shy problem. Why not Aisha Francis? How much they earn from that her business in a week? How much shy they earn in a week from that her business? Inigo here a week, inigo here a 1 month. Can share your say make she sell 100,000 a day for that boutique? It not dey possible. Because who buy shoe today, feel not buy tomorrow. Who buy tomorrow, feel not buy next tomorrow. That is why you need a side hustle business. You need side hustle. I bet more power tap for me for TikTok. Let's go to 2,000. Please, power tap. Before we start again. Power tap for me. May God bless you now. 2,000 is our gauge now. Let's go for 2K. We are in 16. Remaining 400 likes. Let's do it, guys. When you read Facebook, please also share and invite. I just want to use one store take key 2 beds. When I know say I dey holiday. My mother-in-law and the children they don't go outside. If they come back now, I go have to end the video. When she and the guys come back, I go end the video. Then they outside me suffering days house. Please, let's go. We are in 1-6. Let's go. Power tap your screen. They know they use money, they buy them. Please, power tap for me on TikTok. Should the case you dey Facebook, you want join the discussion on TikTok, you can join the TikTok. Just follow the TikTok link right there on our page on Otiti Talk Show page. You go see am right there. Power tap. Okay. As the power tapping they go on, let's continue. Why you got gbe one again? O bokpa. Why you got gbe one go bokpa? Wa tare no je. So that o no get le need yo bogala dia wa hwe. Iyo bono keke ori mion. Wa ru de owo ma mama no wa dege mi ne ma beriana. No wa ga support ma. What's your issue where mana dweke issue when na seke tomato si ona seke buka ona ya dweke what's your issue when na seke boutique ona ya dweke buka what's your wa mi mata wa tabe no je akungwa pan Igo ne shine me polo. Expenses in the shine ya mo boyeji. O polo se shine. Oda fun wa ya. Imagine man no ene 20 naira. Uya mo bowe ye expenses 100 naira. O sa must to gbejuoru egbe must to kanwe. U must to so is normal. O mami work be ani here. And here where your opportunity na ya hama we shine. Yeah, where a marriage soloni or hanwene. Do when out of boy in Solomon. Who were here why ye big bagage Giovanni Kekania bagiewe. Who were yareba. To where you need the solo. That is just the truth. You don't need Solomon. Yes, you are just going there. May they not say you don't come out. Because if you love Solomon, emi bunu yunu ya kangbe. Who get taleni ya. So you donate in enenia. Awe magiye popopo. Because work pa on sa nu deji. Ose competition nu deji. No do ya where you me begging. Do I beg give a media one sa nu deji. Igo ni yari enu uke ya kun ye ke toki. Ya gwa le plan B better business in ogari go no every week. Okay? A business in ogari ton. No ayari go nishi. Ya kun you kun talking no amu fiesta beba 2 years umie no dokpa bugwe go look for waiting average Nigerian man, average Nigerian woman, average Nigerian person need every day when they need to buy compulsory when not too day expensive when you go invest that money on it dey very important. No go carry that money take buy cloth of 100,000 they expect a average Nigerian person where they earn 70,000 minimum wage to come use 50,000 take buy cloth for your hand. It not dey possible. All these celebrity and these people you see around today, many of them, all that actor or whatever when they do is just a cover up. They get all that petty business when they do, where therefore they earn their money. That is just the truth. When I come back from Nigeria that day, as I talk on for my video, I bring a lot of new business strategy sharing with my I-14 family, the kind of business they can invest on. Okay? A lot is right under your nose. Small business like this, when you put money, it go just they bring, if you know they bring big money, but it go just they bring, you go on a steady, on a regular, Uke koke for 1 year. Ove do also gigo is very important. So no. One of the use sense. Back to wetin carry me come here. I go like to play Shine Francis Odigie voice. I see the repeater. Shine Francis na very desperate woman. Shine, you dey desperate. This desperation of now that say desperation. Now make you marry Solomon Semege. This complaint when you come dey complain about Solomon Semege now. He not reach your class. Now you give Solomon a popularity. Was there on maybe not contribute to yet that one. You already first see him in the first place. Wetin make you marry Solomon Semege na to prepare Uwaila. Where Uwaila hewe. O hewe mamu we at the end of the day when you pepper hewe uye omo pianorewebu. That is the only reason. Please power tap on TikTok for me. Please power tap. Onugu ya ome Mr. Solomon. Onugu ya ome. Uomwe no muwa adiewebu. Uomwe no muwa adiewebu. You not marry Solomon because you love her. You not marry Solomon because you really left. You have already left from your mistake. Then when they shine Jenania. I know there is one thing I observe about some wicked people on this social media. Iyangari we mi dane. Awiyani ge na muwo ge. Iyani nebiegbe. Instead of them to just come out and say, okay, I accept my mistake. Wait till I do no good. They will come generalize and I say, oh, other people see they do one. He not be the first person to do one. He not be the second. Your jare, your son, una see they do one. No, talk your own. Now you the cash so woji wone biegbe wo ge wo wodo. Iyanga imugwa ni ge wo wodo. Una go come generalize. Una go one use and rob everybody. Una go one make can look like say iko ya fete ya ge wo wodo anu wo ge wo wodo. Wo ra e beki. Wo bia no dere. That thing it dey bust my head. One in it do a generalize a mistake or who when you can't go for national peace to reign. Accept your mistake, not generalize them. When other people still come, will still talk and your own console. No use and rob everybody. No use and rob everybody. I listened to Shine Francis Odigie message about Papa Uwaila Pikin. I go play am for una. Mona listing. Shine come out to tell una. Uwaila na liar. Na so he lie. Na so he this. Me I not see the lie when Uwaila lie. Please power tap for TikTok for me. Uwaila not deny say he not friend you. You, Shine, according to your story, you also not deny say you not friend them. Which one be lie inside? Uwaila not deny say he nyash you, he give you belle. You, Shine, you not also deny say you not carry belle. Uwaila say he give you money, may you take go terminate the pregnancy. Say he not need that. He get wife for us. You, Shine, you also admitted that Uwaila no only give you money, he also pack people come take beg you, may you remove the belle. Abier you we tie. Me men we go oge we na. Me men we go oge. Which one be lie inside? I be mona write am for comment section for TikTok or for Facebook. Which one na here say be lie? Because I no understand. Me listen to the both side. First of all, Uwaila not deny say he not give you belle. He not deny. He not deny. But he give you money to remove that belle. He already count that belle to be belle when you remove. If you not choose to keep the belle on your own, you are on your own. Shine Francis Odigie, take your responsibility. Stop to the swear for people when not join you blame Uwaila. I will never support that evil and that rubbish. Nuwegina so gwalevanodo de bawegberu wala no miewo mogwema ego mo kwobogwa. Umadere ego mo kwobogwa ke ya mu ena. Uke ya mu avien wena umadere. Accept your responsibility. Because for you to go keep belle when the man say may you remove, you already knew you can take care of the child. You already knew where we are built, we have set coke. Because when they shine, when my dinner and where Uwaila, if the story was like, he begged me make I keep the belle, it go be another thing. You shine, you also said it with your own man, say, the man beg you. Oimiawe, I will son of a vie marry. Do imiawe. When you are more conifua. When they shine, you say you were 33 years old. You say you not go remove the belle because Uwaila yawe away hand bag. Anye kenoma ho we la or yewe or ye tikwaryewe or ye toilet or yewe. E ya fe no lana balo we lehia. Ori yawe we hand bag yawe we somebody le donne or mweko no wi yerikun una wukwe. Girl, we got him out. If you be our sister, we hear say you not born for Uwaila. Should we be happy with you? No. Now your life, it not concern me. Where they say TV out tell me because even we tabu no ma make sense. It not make sense. Shine say when Uwaila we have bag lele ya introduce him makwa minor ragbon minor me. At the end for how many years? After how many years? Ekola or when he had dokman and Yamana Bieneru Uwaila, they will look at ye, they can win in area. Okay, you not finally born the pikin, which is your choice. Why not embrace the choice and enter house? When we choice you when in lawa, where it will call me, where is so, because the way you take talk, it is your choice. Is your choice. Uwe duma biene isale beno. Uguma biene isale beno. Now you want the pikin. Now you want the pikin.
So I'm gonna fly away from here, look down on you like a fucking god. Watch everything you do. Be destroyed.
Me ma understand do well. Do when they shine, do when get responsible if you know what you want. Well, when they shine, ebo kparo nu we atie no man no hian say because omo ohohin. Omo ohone gedegbe uhi. When they shine, no set it cross a mad. Una ziegbe ne married man. Uwaila momo. All your hand small boy. You knew very well. You even said it in this video I'm about to play where Uwaila assured you that he was going to divorce his wife. He was going to drive his wife and marry you. And you agree. Una kwe. Where my wicked divario. Are you not a wicked soul? Some women they when they this situation, when it be said they not really know say the man their wife. They go they friend down, they go even carry belle, they go born for him. Your own case is different, shine. You knew 100% that Uwaila, Mr. Dumezedo, was fully married. He get wife and children. You were even willing to settle for second wife. Please power tap on TikTok for me. Power tap. May God bless you now, my people. You were willing to settle as a second wife. No gi daven se wu we no gi mu se. Where you video where shine, where make we will get inside. No guy he disgrace solo shine. La wa u ne biegbe la wa nu ge we amu. Get inside. Uma so ogbon o no be you be the first, but Guess who more shame make you enter house? Guess who more shame? If not for anything, because of the man when tolerate this your excesses and marry you. Respect Mr. Solomon. Respect the family. Because of our when they shine wo okpia. E Solomon me sekeseke no ro ekpe na. E wo jare no we single mother but all well lugan. Me ke no ko no ro wodo. Na you no e give ne. As boyfriend ya we he. I know you understand. Wado dame o. Me ma understand even wegi soji. Okay, deteru wala hwe. Iyu wala fwa. Honor ye wela wa. Wavana do later separate later. Wege ka yezo. Okay, no mana hwe fwa na. No mana hwe fwa o mari verie we. Uwe gbinaji. Okay, weke pa. Emani bunro Emani bunro neriama dina. Ijia was really married to the man, and later the man go still abandon the children. Ba make sense. By the way, make I fair make this point clear. Shine, Francis Odigie, you carry Solomon pikin for hand. Una momo kpi amobo. Because when we go, they talk about hello, Enomego. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you, I appreciate. Ma gwa kami lele do. Wa we tu nu ima wia. When Shine Francis Odigie, umovie Solomon omokpia, umwe yukegbe. Una aninye kieru Uwaila nu we ugberane. Igoru ohun o. This is not the first time when you dey come social media. Why you nu we rohoe? Solomon don marry you the last time when you come dey do saga with Uwaila. Come dey describe we no ya owehe. We no ya mweko nuehe. Eke ya fe. Nona owe. We no wenu ya kmaneko. Ve ya fefefe. Ve ya fefefe. Anuro wodo. Okpia mu go ju ohun. Una movie Solomon mobo. Una do ya ni nyogun again. Ipeke na wo yunu. It makes sense. Ukiaika, uwe presenter no guwe gwan. Uwe eke dumezedonu wakoko gbawu. Uwe mo uwe ba. Okonoro wodo umovie Solomon bo. Omokbea. Na gwasha. No. It's bizarre. It's dirty. All we are to say. All we are tele. It not make sense. Okwonoro wodo. Where ye total okwedo na mwigo jo hu. Umo yoda fon wenu bie na mobo. Udoga nu we ni nyogun again. Venu here here with a ex-boyfriend way. Is it not shameful? Is it not shameful? It's shameful. Or ma suppose. And for those of you now when they do this thing, the way Shine do this afternoon, carry pikin for lap, umomo wukegbe, wati ebo. Ebo ya fe nuti ohun omo nu mu wukegbe nuti eji wa ne wan. Uomo omo wowo wati ebo. omonumu wowo ni unwo ti eboji wa ogo ogeta. If you dey motor, carry your head come out. Speed. You know where breeze go carry the speed go? E go carry the speed come the glass. E o ri mu e go di eke. Uga momo bo. Una ga ti ebo. Omonumu mo bo ti ebo niji. Uga momo wowo. Una ga ti ebo. Unhu omonumu ji eke ni. E u ti ebo ji. Wa e mi eke na hena mu. Yo ho ju la me do momo wowo. E momo wowo. O bomo yo to. Una hia ti ebo. Bomo yo to. Una momo wukegbe. Momo yo to. E Saint Francis Odigie ti ebo. Ovie solo na asobe ba. Ona asobe kenu gwe na ti ogudugude kenu na ti ebo. E social media na me na miegu wa eso. Okwori momo we ko pregnant woman go dey do saga go dey swear. We mu akpa we ko. Umu akpa we ko. We ma gi egu won money nu we amani. E we ti ebo rere niji. You don't know? Please power tap for me for TikTok. You can send me some gift too. Wa ban. I wa ti ebo. Wa hian ti ebo. E momo mo kegbe. E momo wowo. Won ya ti ebo ni. Ti ebe no konwe. Obota Lucy. Rosie call you Obota Lucy John Bota. Okay? U ya ti ebo we. Umwo okwonoro wodo. U tota wa you no ninyo gwen. It no make sense. Do when they shine, do my ega wano. Imegi tamu gwena. Awae no. Okwedo na mwigojo hun. No be only one another man knock you, no be a wow. There are things you should not say. There are things you should not do. Awano. Awa. No. Oko zogba no kpiave. Okwedo na mwigojo hun. Okpiave na ga tosti wetu wawa. Uwawa. Venu wene shine mwe. Ovie Solomon mo boban. Unaga yunu kan ekeru wala nu ugberane. Uwawa. Agwa. Pwa. I speak for una face. Social media ga irene. Wanibun. Wagi lue mwajemi. Wawa everything. Maybe miekene. Okwonoro wado na. Wagukpu wawe. Yakwekpu wawe. Wetin they make the wash una leg. Many of una not even know the spiritual, cultural significance of when woman marry, they go wash her leg. Do you know wetin that leg mean? They go give you wrapper. Uponu jore ni yagi kiewe. Ogwe ni yagi kpewe. Do you know why? Wetin mean? All the men you don't sleep with, all the dirty life you don't live, all the things when you do before you enter their house, they wash you clean. They remove that dirty oldness, your dirty image away from you, and they are giving you a new name. A new name, a new cloth, a new beginning. Osi na anarioko. Iyagi kpo ogwe bibaye. Iyagi riukmo na rieruan. Oke lawa. Oke lawa. Oke lawa. Meme miekene ne iye ipu wa weri lawa ne. Awu kponu waya joge kponu waya gbasewo. Kponu waya ilalekio dere. Waya ya vio erotiku. Waya viojo. Waya wabedi no da funwa. It not make sense. We'll talk on the way it be. Lare o we nation. Nuwegina do ati ebogi ya wenu ya imi. Eru wala eniano eniahin. We nation. Oro we gbe. Owaru we gbe kakabo. Kwado dame o. A shine or emi no. For me, I still stand on the ground say, I also consider for Mama Uwaila, e mata ma we na time, o ma easy we ya mo we lagwa iyu Uwaila ma na gbona ran o si eni na be tagwe la hoje la ho because okwo mebekin easy task when they shine yao when they shine to really tell the whole world say this shine are very wicked soul. Now wicked soul from the pit of hell, a deadly narcissist. Now this shine be una no watch this afternoon video when she do. She say if Mama Uwaila na better woman, will you Uwaila ga oku agbon? Or we to suppose no ha meru Uwaila no ya movi yere no doga koke. E shine. But you we also the one oga complain ba Solomon sike a baby mama ge o mo mano ko nya koko gbaje. No bien ani ki o. Mami we nation we ebo ke bonu riri ati no sere ropa because of my donkey. You are a very bad person. Even way my you know the fit take am. Where ti take when they shine no wara we viva una le lo dere we le Uwaila le a different party different ikuhian. Uma me o egwe okwoni wa we nini. Have you ever sat down one day to go okay iyu Uwaila na ashi go dey feel. Even ni una ogelema una feel we wo vese. Una feel go wo miemie so una feel we wo ense. Why are you not crying? Ugiari soji na ya gbe mi ju ohun a. Ki agbode na temata. Who any moral justification to prove your point. Who wrong in Ona ara warrior nu him from the beginning am here with money because that picking na your mistake, na your pride, and the product of your error. Yes, na your product of mistake. Uga onu show. Ugwe nation ga ogwe uga keep up money. One seti keep Uwaila as a husband. Oja we. Oja we do kini. Emi okparo nu bi ebo okparo nu bi atie no ma no se because ugwe fidon. U fidon me. U fidon. Ugwe ga mu eneru Uwaila ke do ama na webe owe. I'll plan just I'm not begging you, can't they beg them? So you were really hoping and praying for you Uwaila to Pavani Redenudo take over. You are a god digger, a desperate woman. You can't do anything. You can't do anything. Will you Uwaila o kwesi? Deo o magbono oga kweni ari owo adiowa oga ugwe we akwe. We are queer. We may learn any marriage in ya. Anyway, when nation we may marry to me, you never marry. Because you are solo and never live for house for 3 months. And never even live together for a whole 3 months, not to even talk of 6 months. I'm away 1 year. We may marry. We may marry at all. Okbianore UK were Nigeria. You have a lot to say about Mr. Solo. When probably they work 14 hours a day for work. 14 hours minus 24 hours. Uno ikere only 6 hours. Dega nuwa iya gwa, dega nuwa iya make a problem in ya fe nu duata. Only mami we Mr. Solomon imo get but when nation you are a terrible person. You are just a terrible person. A statement you know made the Havana ban. It really furtherly confirm where according to ya keep in Uwaila ni u keep nu te ya trape. U keep nu te a keep nu ya opi where wa miekela sneaky like we keep where when we ya agwan where he need to fulfill his promise to you. Promise you that he won't drive his wife, he must drive his wife and marry you. U de heartless igbe my sister. You are too heartless. E matama we na eta. A lesson not supposed in a timani ni le lodere len. We go always dish out the truth. We go always dish out the truth.